So I've been working on a wooden toy for the last 6 months or so. They're coming out in a couple of weeks, and I want to continue talking to you about the entire creative process from beginning to end. This video is going to be about a prototype that I made, $0 budget, and tools that we found in my friend's basement. I knew that I wanted to make 20 of these toys, but I needed to first figure out, is this even going to be possible to create any of them? So my friend and I got some scrap wood, found a scroll saw in the basement, and we got to cutting a really basic primitive design. The little body pieces are just smaller blocks of wood that we just cut at 45-degree angles. We sanded the hell out of them with a sander that we basically flipped upside down. One cool thing that we did was the hat I wanted to be able to be kind of to the back of the head, and we did that with a cool little magnet trick. We drilled a little hole in the head and embed these little tiny magnets in there. When it came to painting, I tried to paint the face by hand with a brush, and it came out fine, kind of charming, I guess, because it's got a lot of flaws. But in the end, it realized like I can't do 20 of these, especially after working on the head. So then have like my shaky hand come in and ruin them was not it. I ended up using a Cricut machine to cut out these stencils that gave us some guidelines to paint in. But the prototype was working. We made it relatively quickly, very cheap. We had fun. We were building it, tipping it over, and we're like, yeah, this is sick. Like, I think people will like this. Feel free to check out my newsletter email updates. That's where I'm going to be posting about the pre-order information. And I'll see you in the next video talking about whatever's next.